morning. My name is Sunil Sharma, MSc Nursing first year at College of Nursing, AIIMS Jodhpur. Today I am doing the procedure urine specimen collection in the infant children. So first of all, why we need this procedure? अपन को ये प्रोसीजर क्यों करना है? अपन को ये प्रोसीजर करना है टू चेक द किडनी फंक्शनिंग, प्रॉपर्ली किडनी का फंक्शनिंग है कि नहीं, और एनी अदर इन्फेक्शन इन किडनी, यूरेटर, ब्लैडर also. So in this procedure, first of all we start with the check the physician order. First of all we check the physician order. After the physician order, we can check the identify the patient with the ID band of the patient or the confirm with the parents. Check the correct the patient. So after check the patient, we done the hand wash with the 7 step according to the WHO. After done hand wash, we use the gloves. Clean gloves we use in the can use in the urine collection specimen. And that spread the Macintosh. Arrange all article. So it containing of tray this. So one is a kidney tray, 2 bowel, one is gauze piece and one is cotton and clean towel, and this is the urine container. This is the paper bag for the dry waste, and this is for wet waste. This is Macintosh. So spread the Macintosh. So spread the Macintosh like this manner to prevent the bad linen. After done this, we clean the perineum with the soap and water. Like this. Up to down. And in the pubic area, be in the circular like that. After cleaning the genitalia, we use this one pediatric urine specimen collection bag. Its capacity is 100 ml. You can see. Okay. This one. After that, like this manner, we can open this like. After opening that, we place the like this way. In the male baby, the sacrotum and the penis in the bag. In female baby, stress the vulva and place this bag and ensure that there is no leakage of urine. Like that. And suppose that this is the diaper, and place the diaper again. And frequently we are checking for the urine like that. After baby pass the urine, then we can like that and close this urine bag two-fold with the help of two-fold and place this in the urine container. And mark this container with the baby name and the ID band. After this, you send for the laboratory. The laboratory, replace all article and remove the gloves and hand washing. Thank you.